A quick look at the Samsung Z Flip 7 brings back memories of the first flip phone I had over 20 years ago, the Sony Ericsson. Inside the box you'll get the usual manuals, SIM card tray key and a USB Type-C charge cable. Main specs inside the phone: you get a 12GB RAM, 4300mAh battery, 50 megapixel rear camera and weighs 188 grams. You got the speaker, Type-C port, a few mics, a SIM card tray, power button with fingerprint reader, I believe that's another mic, volume buttons, and unfortunately there isn't a micro SD card slot. Beautifully designed with a flush finish. Because of its durability and weight, you need both hands to open these modern flip phones. Throughout the years they have developed and most likely now have mastered the fold mechanism. It has an armor flex hinge that closes thinner than ever while protecting your Flip 7. Now the crease will always be on foldable phones, but it is less noticeable compared to previous phones. Once you switch on, you go through its setup mode. To transfer your data across, just use the Smart Switch app. I've done this on a previous video on the Smart Switch app, so go check that one out. I've been using the Flip 7 for over a week now and I'm impressed from the camera quality to taking pictures, answering phone calls and much more on the front flip screen. And now it's integrated with AI, which is a bonus. .12GB RAM is super fast when going through apps or playing videos or games.
Real or slime?
This is where millionaires shop. This is Harrods, the world's most expensive store here in London. Home to over 3,000 brands. This is just a quick tour of what to expect as I'm sure everyone loves this mini laptop feature. Best thing about it is that you don't need to put it on a stand when making video calls.
eBay online shopping and selling.
This is where millionaires shop. This is Harrods, the world's most expensive. Main cameras can be used as a selfie camera by using the flip screen. Many other apps can be transferred to the flip screen, so you don't have to keep on opening the full phone. One thing I've noticed is that the flip screen does get hot quickly while using the apps.
Keep her wings.
Overall guys, I'm satisfied with the Flip 7 and it's here to stay. Stay safe, peace.